Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Photoshop on laptop and PC. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your computer or laptop. In the search bar, type Adobe Photoshop Download and click on the official adobe.com link. Make sure it's the real Adobe website to avoid fake or unsafe downloads. Once you're on a Photoshop page, click free trial if you want to try it for 7 days. Or if you already have a subscription, click buy now and sign in with your Adobe ID. Then download the Creative Cloud installer. This is where Photoshop will be installed from. Then open the downloaded file named Creative Cloud Setup.exe. Then follow the on-screen instructions to install Adobe Creative Cloud. Once installed, open Creative Cloud, then find Photoshop and click Install. Wait a few minutes and you'll have Photoshop ready to use. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.